Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button and a bell icon appears next to it. Just press that bell icon too, so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I upload videos every single day. I will make videos about make money online, affiliate marketing and online business. So if you are interested in this type of opportunity, then this is the channel for you. Just press the subscribe button. Okay, today I'm going to show you 5 opportunities which you can start your business with in 2020 and earn millions of dollars out of it. So they are going to be very big opportunities. So let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. So now we are on our computer screen and let's see. I have not typed the opportunities because if I type it at first, then you all will skip the video. Okay, now so let's jump over here. Social media agency. See, this is the one of the biggest opportunity which is there even today. Yeah, most of the businesses don't have, even today there are many of the businesses who don't have any online presence, and you can contact those businesses and ask them if they want any social media presence or not. And most of the businesses now understand the power of social media and they are willing to pay you if you just manage their social media. Even if you are single person or you are just a mom working at home, you can do this. You just have to maintain social media of some of the businesses which are in your nearby local area, and that's the easiest thing which you can do, and you can get paid every single month just managing social media of some of the business. All you have to do is just take action, get out and contact some of the businesses. Are they willing to have some social media presence, and they will pay you this definitely, but you need to take some action to do this. This is very important. Okay, now the next opportunity which is gonna be a huge in 2020 is called podcasting, podcasting and video. Okay, so why I am taking podcasting here, because most of the people don't have a time to record a video, edit the video and then upload it. Okay, but they have a time to just speak. Okay, most of the people speak. Many of the things are spoken by people. They can provide whatever knowledge they have using this podcasting. So that's simple. All you have to do is just have a mic, have a computer and start speaking whatever skill you have. All you need to do is just record your audio and upload it. That's it. In video you require some of the editing as well as other skills, but in audio you just have to do that, and you can upload your raw video directly to a platform. Okay, I have given a link in the I button which there is a video about how to start podcasting business, and that's really simple. All you have to do is do that. And if you are interested in video, then you can go to YouTube and create some videos of whatever skills you want to teach. Okay, there is a huge opportunity in YouTube. Even today most of the people tell you that there is no opportunity, but you should not think that way. If you think that way, then there won't be any opportunity for you. But if you are willing to do the work, there is a huge opportunity in video creation. You can teach anything. Even if you don't have any skill, you can just start a vlogging channel. You can vlog about your life. Whatever things you do in your life can be a vlog, and that can also result into video. And that's it. That's the most simplest thing you can do doing this. Okay, now the next opportunity which is gonna be a very big opportunity in 2020 is online courses. What you have to do is just create a course on whatever skill you have. For example, I have a skill on make money online, so I can create a course on make money online. If I have a skill regarding gardening, I can create a course about gardening. If I have a skill regarding computer software, I can create a course on how to create a computer software. That's simple, that's easy. Whatever skill you have, just create a course on it, and you can sell these courses on Udemy, Teachable and many other platforms, and see, you can make a very good amount of money just by creating courses of whatever skill you have. That's the simplest thing you can ever do. And this is very simple, very easy. All you have to do is just invest some of your time and make a course. This can earn you a passive income for a very long period of time. Okay, that's simple, that's easy. Now the next opportunity is software creation. So we are now into technical stuff. If you have some of the technical knowledges regarding software, you can create mobile applications, you can create other software, you can develop computer programs, you can do programming, you can do web designing, you can do many of the things which are available in this software field. So this is going to be a very huge opportunity, because day by day people are coming online, they require more and more software for their work. Okay, and that's the big opportunity, a huge opportunity which can earn you even millions of dollars. So this is a great opportunity which you can utilize and just make softwares. Okay, it's okay if you make a simple software in the starting, but day by day as you learn the skills, just get new ideas and you can develop good amount of softwares, and you can make a very big amount of money just by creating software. And that's a very simple and easy thing to do. You just have to learn some of the programming codes for some time, and then you can do it easily. That's a really big opportunity in this field, and you can make millions of dollars doing this. And the last opportunity and the best opportunity which I am currently a part of is affiliate marketing. All of you must know that affiliate marketing has grown 40% in 2019, and it's gonna increase more and more day by day. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing, this is the channel mainly focused on affiliate marketing, and all other businesses are also discussed on this channel. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing, you should press the subscribe button. Affiliate marketing is just that you have to recommend a product to another person. And what you have to do is, you don't require any inventory, you don't have any cost. All you have to do is share. Just get a product, get its link and just share, and if someone buys through your link, you get a commission. That's simple. Okay, all you have to do is just share your link wherever you want to share. If you want to share it with your friend, if you want to share it with your parents, whatever, whomever, if you want to share, all you have to do is just find a product which they require, get its affiliate link and share them. If they buy that product from that link, that you receive a commission. That's simple. That's easiest thing which you can do. And this is a very big opportunity, because it's growing day by day, and in 2020 it's going to be one of the biggest market in the world, or the biggest one of the biggest business opportunity in the world. So if you are interested, then just click the subscribe button and start affiliate marketing. Take action. So these are my 5 best opportunities for 2020. If you like my content, if you like my video, just press the like button and press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.